All right, what's going on? What's going on? HBAR dumped a 38% from its highs. Is it over? Is it done? Seriously? HBAR rallied a good 842% from its bear market lows. If you think that this pullback is not warranted and it's not normal, well, you are terribly mistaken. The same volatility that you see to the upside is the same volatility that you can expect to the downside. Now, if any of you got margin called or liquidated throughout this entire pullback, and yes, that's what it is, it's a pullback, I'm extremely disappointed because we literally called this pullback in the previous video. I even gave you guys a bid. Let's go ahead and bring up that bid zone. And voila. Okay, this is the bid zone that I gave you last time around. We last talked about HBAR right here as soon as we got the gravestone doji. I say, hey, that's a crazy sell-off. I'd be careful there. This is a good time to be looking for a pullback on the chart and not to FOMO into position. I gave you this entire zone from around 26 cents to 24 cents as the next immediate bid zone on the chart. And what did price end up doing? Well, we got down there and bounced right off of our bid zone. Now, a lot of people are calling a double top on HBAR, which is a bearish pattern. However, it's important to understand the trigger of the pattern, and the trigger of the double top hasn't gone off just yet. Now, this bid zone was primarily hinged off of what? The 12-hour dynamic support. Let's go ahead and turn on our dynamic indicator. This is it right here. And you see it, guys, it's beautiful. Okay, we've been trending on that 12-hour dynamic system ever since we started the trend right here, and that's why we were looking at that zone as the next best bid opportunity on the chart. And yet again, we've come back for another test with the buyers stepping in right there. So far, HBAR has trended a good 720% just trending on the 12-hour dynamic. But what I particularly like about this is that it's not just the 12-hour dynamic that comes in right there. If I get on over to the daily time frame, we also have daily dynamics swinging in right at the bottom of the red box territory. Now, honestly, if I would consider any bid on this red box territory an easy trade to manage because of the confluence we're seeing on this region. Because if we break below the dynamic indicator, you know that, hey, you're wrong on the trade, get the hell out. You can get out with a minimal loss because you're so close to entry, and now you can position for a lower bid. Now, for those of you wondering, Krisha, what is the probability that prices actually break that dynamic support? All right, we're seeing long trends across the board still from the 12-hour time frame to the weekly time frame. You're up significantly. Look at how strong the trend has been. It's been trending on the 12-hour like a charm. Even after the pullback, you're still up a good 489% on the trade if you manage to catch the trend flip on the dashboard. However, the 4-hour now is screaming short. It's telling us that, okay, price is pulling back on the lower time frames. Now, the read on the dashboard is telling me that the bears still might have a bit more juice left in them. And why is that? It's because of the volatility reading right here. 56, very healthy. So when I see healthy volatility on a trend, I know that, okay, the side that's prevailing right now on the 4-hour time frame, which are the bears, they might still have a bit more juice left in them. So on the 4-hour time frame, we could still see the bears come down for another tap of that red box territory. I will not be surprised if that happens. But once again, this entire red box right here is more a buy the dip opportunity than sell your bag opportunity. It's a recipe for disaster if you are selling your bags on critical support in the middle of a bull market. It's because probabilistically that's where the trend gets picked up, and even if it does not get picked up, it's a very easy trade to manage. Now, if you guys are looking to build on your HBAR trades, I definitely suggest checking out the BitUnix exchange. There's no KYC, no country restrictions, so irrespective of where you are, you can jump right in. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in bonuses, so definitely take advantage of that. For me personally, I won't be surprised if we actually see some sideways action over here, perhaps put in another bullish pattern before we actually see the next macro breakout on the weekly time frame. Once again, guys, our targets remain the same to the upside. We're looking at 57 cents as the first target. From where price is at right now to 57, that's good 100% from where price is currently at. As far as targets to the upside are concerned, guys, we're still looking at the first target at 57 cents, which is a good 2x from where price is currently at, a good 100. Liquidations are dangerous. If you have gotten liquidated or you have gotten margin call, chances are you are over positioned. It is time for you to consider your position size. That only comes with risk management. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, you guys have an entire tool sheet and indicator that's going to spit out the right position size for you. the right risk managed position size for you. That way you are not getting liquidated or margin called. Please, please, please make sure you're using that when getting into trades. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.